Here is what we have today.
Isikhalazo sethu ke kukubana asincedakali akho nto isincedayo thina. Uyabona njengoba sihleli apha asinalo uncedo esilufumana nakubani. UShoprite uyasinceda, uSpar ukhasiphi izinto bakhona abantu be-DA bebekhe bafika apha kwezinyanga satsho safumana ukupheka siyapheka ngoku because bekufike abo bantu. Uyayiqonda?
U-Deputy President we-country Paul Mashatile uye waphuma-ke wayenza i-door to door ekhaya elisha la eduze kwala abazoba khona ne-conference yabo la abazobe celebrate khona lo 113 years. Ekuhambeni kwakhe-ke udibane nabantu bomphakathi, uhlangane nje nabanye abantu bamkhalela-ke nokungenzeki kwezinto nentuthuko ehamba kancane. Kodwa yena ubuthatha i-blame wayibeka ku-DA. Washo khona ukuthi i-DA yayibakhathalela abantu laba ebaphethe. Wathi i-DA ibaneglectile. Kungesuye kuphela kanti noFikile Mbalula makafika Thangi on Monday ufike wakhuluma nomphakathi wawatshela ukuthi no i-DA ayinikhathalele nina ngakho banake indawo zabo. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ngimdedela khuluma uMashatile bese mina ngikhuluma emva kwakhe. Kodwa ne-DA iziphendulele nayo emveni kokuzwa lezi inkulumo lezi. Helen Zille kaphathekanga kahle naye mayeza ukuthi Deputy President uthi i-DA have neglected abantu base Khayelitsha. Ngicela uzwe nangu ubaba Paul Mashatile.
We are coming to see our people, talk to them. When I spoke in Khayelitsha, I said the DA is neglecting these communities. Obviously, Helen Zille was very unhappy about what I said. I don't know when last have you seen her in Khayelitsha. I don't know even if she knows where Khayelitsha is. So it's a statement of fact. Where is the DA when people are struggling like they do? We are intervening as national government because we can see that the provincial government is not doing what it should be doing. And we're going to continue to do so, whether they like it or not.
Njengoba umuzwa-ke uDeputy President esho ukuthi bafikile bona as national government bafike balalela izikhalo zabantu kodwa-ke i-DA ibaneglectile abantu base Khayelitsha la bekakhona nakusenyanga. Usho njalo kwathi baneglectile usho i-DA ayinendaba nabo sebeze baya intervene bona. Bayamambuza abanye ukuthi no kodwa phela i-DA nibambisane nayo ku-GNU. Bathi no sibambisane nayo nationally not provincially. So okungukuthi provincially i-DA iyona ephethe. Wayesethi ke bona kodwa ngeke bayeke bazongenelela basize la funeka basize khona. Ngiyafisa ukuthi manje ngilanda i-DA iziphendulele. Ozokhuluma manje i-spokesperson se-DA uMr Vili Okampo. Ngicela umuzwe wena uthini.
With all due respect, the statement made by the Deputy President is absolutely ludicrous. The City of Cape Town spends more on infrastructure directly benefiting lower income households than the entire capital budgets of other cities. In the 2024-2025 year, Cape Town is making South Africa's largest ever infrastructure investment by a metropolitan municipality with a 75% pro-poor spend directly benefiting lower income households. And that is not us that say that. According to Stats SA, the non-financial census data for municipalities released in March 2024 showed that Cape Town has South Africa's highest proportion of residents benefiting from free basic water and electricity.
Njengoba echaza-ke uMr Okampo ukuthi according to i-Stats SA, ngifuna ukugcizelela futhi lokho, according to i-Stats SA, i-Cape Town, i-City of Cape Town ehamba phambili ekudevelopeni indawo. Ngakho-ke iy'nsolo lezi ey'sho u-Deputy President azilona iqiniso. Kodwa ingakho ngithe ngifuna ukugcizelela lokho ukuthi according to i-Stats SA. Ya ngoba akusho umphakathi izinto lezi zenzeka emphakathini ne-development funa ibone umphakathi ingabona i-Stats SA. Kodwa-ke bambuzile la ukuthi engani abantu basekhaya lethu namhlanje abanawo ama-toilet aflashayo. Abasekhaya Khayelitsha nabaseGugulethu abanawo ama-toilet aflashayo. ugesi basenenkinga basahlala eSquatter camp ubugebengu boningi yena ke wayeseblame iANC zwane ziphendulela.
That is absolutely the picture across the whole of South Africa. And that picture is there because an ANC government alone for the past 30 years has failed South Africans. Let's make no mistake here. There's a huge difference between the quality of life of rich people and that of poor people. And the question is, what is government, local government specifically, and provincial governments doing to alleviate that? If you look at the statistics, and again, that is statistics that were released by Stats SA, it is clear that the other municipalities and other metros and other provinces can come and learn from what the DA-run Western Cape government as well as the city of Cape Town is doing. The stats show that in these cities, the city and in the Western Cape province, we are doing far more. And that is what we need to roll out to the rest of the country. That is what the Democratic Alliance, with our presence in this government of national unity, is trying to do. We have shown over the years that where the DA governs, we govern extremely good.
Njengoba umzwileke echaza ukuthi cha lento lezi ekukhalwa ngazo ukuthi awekho ama-toilet aflashayo ikusesekhona imikhukhu esiminyaminya inkinga yama-drugs ukungakheki kwemigwaqo ukungabikho kwamanzi ahlanzekile ney'kole nazo zonke lento lezi yingoba i-ANC yodwa iphathe for 30 years yangawenza umehluko kodwa bona njenge-Cape Town bayisibonelo kwabanye umasipala waze washo futhi wathi according to i-Stats SA isizathu esenza ukuthi ngigcizelele ukuthi njengoba bethi according to i-Stats SA ngifisa ukugcizelela sona ngempela ngoba ne-ANC nayo mayithi silethe i-development ebantwini basuke berefera according to i-Stats SA. Angazi ukuthi i-Statistics South Africa bona basuke beyithatha le information mase ufika thina siphila khona emphakathini fana ngabe yithi esifakazayo mhlawumbe kube Statistics South Africa beze bantwini ngabe siyavuma kodwa ingakho ufuna ngicizelela ukuthi uyakuphinda na uthi according to i-Stats SA i-development ikhona kodwa uma ufika emphakathini usabona sona isiminyaminya usabona yonke kodwa kuphelelanga la baphinde bambuza ukuthi hayibo engani i-DA iphathe lapha for 15 years manje nakhona usablame i-ANC uphendule kanjena ke.
Alleviating poverty is not a thing that you can fix in one day or even in 100 years. It's a continuous thing. We've got to, day by day, do everything in our power to alleviate the lives of the people that are suffering due to the historic injustices of our country, but also suffering due to the 30 years of managing of this country by the ANC government. We are getting provincial grants from national government. If you look at the influx of people coming into the Western Cape, it is clear that those amounts need to be re-looked at. If we can get additional funding from national government, national treasury, we will be able to do much more than what we are doing. I just think that it is extremely disingenuous of the Deputy President to try and show fingers at the DA-run Western Cape and City of Cape Town. Whilst we are under these circumstances in South Africa, out managing all other provinces and all other metros, we are doing whatever we can with the amount of money available to us. And we firmly believe that the amount of money that we get for the City of Cape Town as well as the Western Cape from national government must increase. We can do so much more if we can get our fair share of money.
Njengobuzwa ke esho ukuthi alleviate ipoverty ukuthi kususa inhlupheko ebantwini akuyona into engenzeka nje esikhathini esingango 15 years into le futhi ngakusento engenzeka eminyakeni e100 ngoba into efuneka iloku iqhubeka ukwenzeka lo iqhubeka kuzama ukuthi kuthuthukiswe abantu kancane kancane manje ke ngifisa ukuthi emphakathini wakithi asizameni ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuthi uma sivotela abantu asivotela abantu abazoletha intuthuko kithi ingcono intuthuko ize kancane siyibona ngamehlo esingakuncoma nje ku-DA ukuthi umama lo chazile ekuqaleni uchazile ukuthi cha bafika abantu be-DA kwakhona usizo alitholayo badla nalabantu akabaphakelayo. Kuhle kakhulu lokho, kuhle kakhulu. Siyakuncoma lokho kwenziwe i-DA ngoba kufanelanga sigxeke. Kodwa ngendlela besesho ngayo Deputy President ukuthi nje i-DA ibaneglectile, usho ukuthi ayibanakile, cha kuphambene nayo kancane. Kodwa nabantu nabo akungathi makufika i-ANC noma makufika i-EFF noma kufika umkhonto wesizwe noma makufika FF Plus bese behlala kakhulu bagxeke iqembu lele linye bayeke nezinto ezinhle libenzele zona. Cha, ayesho cha isikutholile ukuthi nokuthi kusashoda ama-toilet, kusashoda imigwaqo, kodwa ugesi sinawo. Ngenza umzekelo, ngenzela ukuthi ke sisekwazi ukukhuluma nabo labantu ngoba bangosomathuba, bayakwazi ukuguqula lento oyishilo ukuze ivune bona. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kuwe othatha isikhathi sakho wabuka le video kwaze wafika manje. Ngiyacela ulike, usubscribe, ushare, comment la ku comment section.